Question number 1.
David usually his morning coffee before heading to work in New York. A. Drink. By drinks sushi. Drinking.
Question number 2.
If Ida earlier, she wouldn't have missed the train to Tokyo. A left B leaves C had left.
Question number 3.
Matteo suggested that Sophia ready by 8 a.m. for the trip to Rome. A is B, BC was.
Question number 4.
Chloe has been looking forward to her cousins in Auckland. A visit B, visiting C, visited.
Question number 5.
The teacher insisted that every student submit their assignment on time. A submits, B submit, C submitted.
Question number 6.
Neither Emily nor her friends coming to Toronto tomorrow. A is B, or C was.
Question number 7.
Javier promised to call Zola as soon as he in Rio de Janeiro. A arrives, B arrived, C arriving.
Question number 8.
Rarely Kenji forget his homework. A does B do C did.
Question number 9.
The new policy, along with several amendments, approved last week. A was B were C have.
Question number 10.
I wish Liam how to play the guitar like his father in Sydney. A knows B knew C know E.
Question number 11.
The manager said he would review the report the next day. A will be would see shall.
Question number 12.
Zola is capable handling the project independently. A to be in C of.
Question number 13.
So delicious the meal that everyone asked for seconds. A was B. Did C were.
Question number 14.
A number of tourists visiting the Eiffel Tower this week. A is B. Our C was.
Question number 15.
Had Emily known about the delay, she earlier. A would have left B, will leave, C leaves.
Question number 16.
The book that Chloe lent me on the table. A is B, are C, were.
Question number 17.
David was accused breaking the company's policy. A for B of C at
Question number 18.
the film was so boring that half the audience early. A, leave B, left C, leaving.
Question number 19.
Little Mateo realized how difficult the test would be. A, does B, did C, has.
Question number 20.
Neither of the answers correct. A, is B, are C, were.
Question number 21.
The students, along with their teacher, visiting the museum tomorrow. A, is B, are C, were.
Question number 22.
By this time next year, Aya, in her new apartment in Tokyo. A lives B, will be living C, has lived.
Question number 23.
Emily apologized being late for the meeting. A for B to C on
Question number 24.
It's essential that every applicant all the required documents. A submits, B submit, C submitted.
Question number 25.
Not only the lights go out, but the air conditioner stopped working too. A did B, does C was.
Question number 26.
Chloe prefers reading novels watching TV. A then B to C over.
Question number 27.
The majority of the data stored in the cloud. A is B, are C, were.
Question number 28.
Kenji asked if I seen his notebook anywhere. A, have B, had C, has.
Question number 29.
The manager wants the report by Monday morning. A finishing B, finished C, finish.
Question number 30.
Each of the participants given a certificate. A was be where C have.
Question number 31.
Liam was disappointed not getting the promotion. A about B for C at.
Question number 32.
So beautiful the garden looked that we stopped to take pictures. A does B did C was.
Question number 33.
The train by the time we reached the station. A left B had left C leaves.
Question number 34.
If only Mateo more confident during the interview. A where B was C is.
Question number 35.
Emily didn't know that the store already closed. A has B had C have.
Question number 36.
Hardly the bell rung when the students rushed out. A had B has C did.
Question number 37.
The players, as well as the coach, confident about the final match. A is B, R, C was.
Question number 38.
David succeeded, convincing the board to approve the plan. A to B in C at.
Question number 39.
The movie that Zola recommended better than I expected. A was B where C is.
Question number 40.
I'd rather you the truth now. A tell B told C tells.
Question number 41.
A had B has C did.
Question number 42.
The committee divided in its opinion A is B are C have.
Question number 43.
If Liam harder, he would have passed the exam. A studies, B studied C key had studied.
Question number 44.
The manager recommended that all employees be punctual. A are B be C were.
Question number 45.
Chloe insisted, paying for the dinner herself. A to B on C at.
Question number 46.
I don't remember where I my phone last night. A left B, leave C had left.
Question number 47.
The team practicing for weeks before the tournament. A has been, B have been, C were.
Question number 48.
The new smartphone, along with accessories, on sale today. A is B, are C were.
Question number 49.
By the time the concert started, the audience seated. A have been, B had been, C was.
Question number 50.
Rarely such a talented group of musicians perform together. A has B, have C, do.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.